Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. If you're in the market for a Mustang, well, this 2017 Mustang might fit all your wants and needs. This vehicle's stock number is 7401. We'll show you a virtual video walkaround of the exterior condition of this Mustang, and we'll put you in the interior in just a couple minutes. Take notice of the exterior condition: no rips, no tears, no stains, no dings. Absolutely flawless. This low mileage Mustang, as you'll take notice, warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. What does that mean? That's no extra cost to you. It's like peace of mind driving. We're going to take you and put you in the interior here. All your controls, easy accessibility, all within arm's reach. Interior is absolutely flawless. Got friends or family maybe taking a cruise with you. You got ample legroom in the rear, as you can see. And then once again, fully loaded Mustang. You know this Mustang's not going to last long, so do me a favor. For more info, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, we look forward to meeting you and hopefully earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walkaround. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.